Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to change the email details for a particular campaign and also how to send yourself or colleague a test email. This is super useful as it enables you to see what the email will look like to a recipient and click on any links or buttons you have included to make sure they are working as expected. I'm going to skip to the review and edit content step on a campaign that I have already started to create. On the Email Campaign tab, under the Review and Edit step, you will see a section called Sender Details. This is the default name and email address that was used to set up your Boma account. To change these details for this particular campaign, click on the text fields and add the new name and email address. If you want to permanently change the sender details, you can do this in the Settings menu under the Branding and Emails item. To send a test email to see what the campaign will look like, click on the Test Email button and add your email address or a colleague's email address in the text box that appears here. Once you have added the email address, click on Send, and the email will then be sent out to the email address. If you would like to learn more about the sender email details and test email, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or chat to us using the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.